Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix notifications not showing up on iPhone. So one of the ways to fix our problem is by going to swipe down right here to see your control center and make sure that your do not disturb is toggled off or is turned off. That means that you will be able to see the notifications that you received in the last couple hours or whatever it might be, right? If you're still facing that same issue, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to your settings, and if you have a problem with a specific app that you want to receive a notifications from, go ahead to that specific app. Let's say for example how we feel right here, or sorry, no, let me go ahead to Instagram, and I'm gonna go ahead to notifications right here, and I'm gonna toggle this one on to see notifications of the specific app. But if you want to see generally notifications, go ahead and scroll up until you find the notifications, click on it, and basically you're gonna be able right here to see the many apps right here that you can receive notifications from. Go ahead to your wanted app and then basically control the notifications from there. Okay, and if you're still facing that same issue, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go back to the settings, and then you're gonna go ahead to the screen time, and then scroll a little bit down, and you're gonna see right here content and privacy restrictions. It might be helpful to turn off the content and privacy restrictions. Maybe that's what holding you back from getting the notifications that you need. But if you're still facing that same issue, go back to the settings and then go ahead to the general, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to click transfer or reset iPhone. I'm going to scroll a little bit down, of course, click right here and click reset, and I'm going to reset all settings, and I'm going to double click to reset all settings, and basically you're going to be able to follow along the on-screen instructions to basically restart your iPhone. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.